Baby talk exposed. Why do we talk to babies like this? Well, turns out it's science. Baby talk isn't just for parents. It's in movies, memes, and those viral pet videos we all secretly love. Ever seen a dog tilt its head when you say, "Who's a good boy?" Yeah, that's baby talk magic. On social media, baby talk equals views. Whether it's a dad turning into a softie or a cat responding with a meow, baby talk trends because, let's face it, it's adorable. But fun fact, baby talk also reinforces stereotypes. Moms do it more, dads get the tough guy edit, but really everyone does it. It's human nature. And guess what? Baby talk is universal. No matter where you're from, parents instinctively use that sing-song voice to bond with babies and help them learn. It's like nature's built-in language course. So next time you catch yourself going full baby mode, own it. Science says it's good for everyone. Even your dog approves.